So what are the strategies, actions, and barriers to moving ahead? Well, the barriers are primarily political. However, according to Pew Research, most Americans are concerned about the environment, and most see room from multiple actors, including corporations and the federal government, to do more to address the impacts of climate change. One of the tools that helps to ground me in advocacy work is the MAP model of social change, written by Bill Moyer. In the Movement Action Plan, he describes 8 stages through which social movements normally progress over a period of years or decades. It provides organizers with a map of the long road of successful movements. The Movement Action Plan consists of 8 stages. Phase 1 is normal times, which we consider status quo. 2 is where we prove the failure of institutions. Here we start to see that the systems in place aren't allowing us to make real progress on climate change. In phase 3, ripening conditions, this is where trigger events happen. Regarding climate change, if we start to recognize catastrophic weather events as trigger events, we will be much more successful in getting others to join the cause. Social movements take off in phase 4, and in phase 5, identity crisis of powerlessness reveals a perceived failure. This is really interesting because this is when a lot of folks start to give up. However, when phase 6 happens, which I believe is happening right now in the realm of climate change, this is where we start to see things turn around. The reason that I believe we're on phase 6 is not only because of the Pew research I discussed earlier, but with the passage of the Inflation Reduction Act, trillions of dollars are being invested in the environment and climate change mitigation. All sorts of environmental justice issues are being addressed, and this is really a game changer. And then success is when we can say that we are really reducing greenhouse gases. We're really making some real progress on climate change, and we can see the environment improving. And then 8, we continue the struggle. And the struggle is never truly over in our neoliberal economic system.